Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you Chick-Fil-A on a Sunday. These are the ingredients I use, so let's get this party started. So I'm just going through the seasonings right now and everything that I use within this process. I got my chicken breast that I'm using, the seasonings that I'm showing you guys. You can use whatever seasoning that you prefer, but these are the ones that I prefer for my spicy chicken sandwich. So this is what I'm using. I got the Sara Lee buns, Hawaiian sweet buns for the bread that I'm going to be using for my sandwich. So I'm just seasoning up the chicken. Make sure you coat it well with the seasonings. It may look like a lot, but once you rub all the seasonings in, it's not that much. All right, you guys. So now I'm going to start preparing my flour batter, and I'm just gonna do it in a little Tupperware. I could have done anything else, but this is what I want. I didn't want to do it in a plastic bag. I didn't want to. I just wanted to use this Tupperware. So this is what you see me doing. I'm actually re-adding the seasonings that I did for the chicken into the flour. And trust and believe, it's not gonna be overpowering. It's not gonna be salty, nothing like that. Um, it's just adding a little seasoning to your flour, a little kick to your flour. That's all you're doing. And so with the cayenne pepper, that's how you make it a spicy chicken sandwich, by adding that cayenne pepper to get it spicy. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of sugar, not too much, but a little bit of sugar to actually balance all the seasonings out. And this sandwich was actually pretty darn good. Okay, you guys, so the next step is mixing all the ingredients that I did, um, that I used on my chicken into my batter. So that's what you see me doing right now, just mixing that up as good as I could get it. Like I said, it is not going to overpower. It's not going to be salty or anything else. I'm going with a little more cayenne pepper because, like I said, I want to achieve that spicy chicken sandwich. And that's what's going to make it a spicy chicken sandwich right there. So I'm just gonna clean up my area. Got a little bit of flour, a little bit of seasonings, and everywhere. So I'm just gonna go through, clean that up, make sure everything is just right before I move on to the next step. All right, so I came back with a bowl and some foil. What I'm going to be using for the foil is actually when I get done coating the chicken with the egg batter and also the flour, that's where I'm going to lay my chicken at. So I'm going to just crack open 2 eggs, put them in that bowl. Yeah, and then I'm going to throw them 2 eggshells away. You're never supposed to leave no eggshells in the cart. Alright, so right here you're going to see me adding a little bit of milk into my eggs just for that little smooth consistency for the eggs. And then I'm going to scramble the eggs. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt into my eggs. Trust and believe, you cannot and will not be able to taste the eggs. What me using the eggs is just giving it another layer of crunch, because with the flour and the chicken, yeah, that's one layer of a lightly crunch, but with the egg, it's like a whole nother level of crunch. So it's like another layer of that crunch. And so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put the chicken into the flour, the chicken into the egg batter, and then the chicken back into the flour, and then from there I'm gonna lay it on the foil. And I'm just gonna continue till all my chicken is coated just the same way. Okay, so at this point, I'm so close to almost being done coating all the chicken with that flour and that egg batter, then back into the flour. Um, and so I'm just trying to get it as coated as possible. And then I'm going to lay it down. And so I'm going to, this is for the little crunchy pieces on top. So this is what you see me doing with the egg batter. I'm actually going to lay that egg batter down on the chicken and then go back through with the rest of that flour and make sure that it has them little crunchy pieces on top of the chicken. So this is exactly what you see me doing. Then I'm going to just continue this process till all the flour and egg batter is used. All right, so now it's starting to be cleanup time. Once again, I'm going to go put them other dishes into the sink. And then when I come back, I'm actually going to, because you could actually see that I have ran out of that batter. So now I'm just going to use the rest of the flour that I have in that bag. Not in the house, but but in that bag because it's only a little bit left, and I'm just gonna coat that with the chicken, so make sure that the chicken has a nice coat of flour on it, up under or over that egg batter. So that's what you see me doing here. Pressing that down in there to make sure it's actually going to be sticking to the chicken and the egg batter. So that's what I'm doing when I'm pressing it. All right, you guys. So we almost done with our spicy chicken sandwich, Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. I'm just going to coat this chicken a little bit more in the flour before I actually put it into the oil. This oil is clean. I used it one time before, and that's with my cheesy shredded beef brisket fried tacos. And that video is posted, so go ahead and check that out if you don't know what fried tacos is. And they was delicious. They was definitely delicious. And so like I said, I'm just for the next chicken breast that I'm going to put in there, I'm actually just coating it with the flour again before I actually put it into the deep fryer, because after letting chicken just sit there, um the the flour starting to like crumble, and it turns into a different consistency. So now that you see me actually putting another that coat back onto the chicken. All right, you guys, so we at the end of this video with the spicy chicken sandwich that I call it the Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. We all know that Chick-fil-A is closed. I'm going to freeze this right here so you can see how that chicken breast came out. It came out gorgeous. So this is a sandwich. I actually use a Sara Lee bread and some barbecue sauce. And this is me splitting it open. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with some more videos. Adios, amigos.